I'm not sure, but I think so. That one down there is gone. There's a vendor that's got different shirts. A few vendors around. Old car back there. There's some more cars over on this side. Wasn't sure whether I was gonna check out his ride. Down here yet. You're good. Yeah, thank you. I don't know if you can see this. This is an old Studebaker Blackhawk. Those were really fast back then. It's like it's a big glass. I'm not going to try to take any interior shots. It's getting too dark out there as it is. We'll go down there and see what we can catch though. Parking lot is really uneven. There's a neat car. I don't know if you can see that or not. Walk around the side here. And go ahead. His wife. Back to one here. Pretty. There's three nice ones down here. Nice speed drive on that one. God, parking lot is lousy to walk on. Speed drive on that. And that's got a real nice speed job on that truck. These people still coming in. A lot of people. It's gonna go on till like 8:30 tonight. We've got some more ones here. Looks like that cop got somebody. Oh, is there?
Yeah. So I thought I heard like what sounded like a very quiet helicopter starting up.
There's a couple more tea buckets. We're heading over to this jet car. Hopefully we haven't missed him. Sounds like we might.